Hello everyone and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a true legend in 1/64 scale, the Centauria Ferrari 250 GT Berlinetta Tour de France from 1957. This model is part of the Ferrari GT collection and comes as number 44 in the series. Let's take a closer look at this diecast and then talk about the real car that inspired it. The diecast itself looks stunning. Metallic silver finish, finely detailed wheels, and the elegant proportions of the original Ferrari 250 GT Berlinetta. At 1/64 scale, it really captures the timeless beauty of this 1950s racing car. Centauria has presented it in a clear display case, making it perfect for collectors. Now let's dive into the real Ferrari 250 GT Berlinetta Tour de France. This car was created to compete in endurance racing, especially the Tour de France automobile, which it famously dominated. Under the hood, a 3.0-liter V12 engine produced 240 horsepower, paired with incredible balance and lightweight design. In terms of performance, this Ferrari reached a top speed of 250 km/h and accelerated from 0 to 100 km/h in just about 6 seconds. Astonishing numbers for 1957. Its elegant bodywork was penned by Pininfarina, with racing success adding to its legendary status. The Ferrari 250 GT Berlinetta Tour de France is not just a car, but a milestone in Ferrari's racing history. And now, thanks to Centauria, we can celebrate it in miniature form in 1/64 scale, adding a touch of history and passion to our collections. That's all for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this diecast and want to see more daily unboxings, 360-degree views and dioramas, don't forget to subscribe. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for daily diecast content, unboxings, 360-degree views, and dioramas every week. Non perderti i prossimi video. Iscriviti al canale per contenuti quotidiani su modellini in scala 1/64, unboxing 360 degree e diorami ogni settimana.